Unlock your wildest creative dreams and learn to craft breathtaking AI art with Midjourney. Midjourney is a powerful AI that transforms your words into stunning, unique visuals. To begin, you'll need to join their Discord server. Once you're there, navigate to one of the newbies channels. The core of Midjourney is the Imagine command. You start by typing Imagine and then you'll enter your descriptive text or prompt. Think of it as describing exactly what you want to see in as much detail as possible. Prompt engineering is key. Be specific. Consider the subject, the style, the mood, and even the lighting. For example, instead of a dog, try a fluffy golden retriever puppy playing in a sun-drenched meadow. Soft bokeh background. Midjourney will then generate for initial variations of your prompt. You can choose to upscale one of these variations by hitting the U buttons below it, which creates a larger, more detailed version, or if you want more options, you can hit the refresh button to generate for brand new images based on your original prompt. Once you've upscaled an image, you'll have options to create variations of that specific image, making further refinements to your chosen composition, or to upscale it one last time to its full resolution. Experiment with different styles by adding descriptive words to your prompt like cinematic lighting, watercolor painting, or surreal digital art. Don't be afraid to iterate and play with your prompts until you achieve the exact artistic vision you're after. From fantastical landscapes to character designs and abstract concepts, Midjourney empowers you to bring any creative idea to life. Dive in, experiment, and discover the incredible world of AI-generated art.